Today I'm going to teach you the coolest way to close your Balisong, and it's a trick that anyone of any skill level can learn. Now, I do have to warn you, I heard a rumor that it only works if you're subscribed, so you may want to take care of that real quick. Otherwise, let's not waste any more time. Cue the B-roll. I've got 3 slow-mo videos from 3 different angles because, for me at least, that's the easiest way to learn. So you start with your hand in a downwards position like you'll see in this video. You're holding the safe handle and you're going to basically just drop the bite handle. You swing it up and past the back of your hand and then you twist your wrist as it comes down so then you can swing it back up around the front of your hand. As the weight falls, it comes to rest in a perfect position to close. Thanks so much for watching. That's all I got for you today. I'll see you on the flip side.